Welcome to motocompano. Besides the main screen, the map screen is one of the most important views you'll deal with while using the app. The map screen is equipped with the relevant functions for navigation and creating content. You can record GPX tracks, search for places worldwide, and set POI for planning, sharing, and to create memory pieces. Some functions adjust a little during route guidance due to simplify the process and ensure your safety on the streets. On top you see this gray area, which covers information respective to your needs. Currently, the time and speed is shown, but you can toggle what you like to see here. Just tap or swipe to cycle through the other available options, which are average speed, pace, a compass, altitude, and time to or from destination, and set your desired combination. When you start navigation, which is shown here only as a brief example, the gray area expands to display the current routing instruction and a smaller preview of the following one.
Continue on to Azenbergstrasse.
The buttons for photo POI and address search are grayed out then, as it's not recommended to use those while driving. You can still set regular POI by a simple tap, but the naming dialog that is usually opening is skipped. As soon as you pause route guidance, both functions can be used as usual. Start the navigation here again when you are ready to drive on. Let's head back and get a brief overview of the functions around. Up here on the left, you can start and stop the recording of a GPX track. You have to move 5 meters before data is actually recorded. You can adjust this value in the settings if you like. Underneath are buttons for setting a POI at the current location. A tap on the photo POI opens your device's camera and saves the taken picture combined with the POI coordinates. Interaction with the map works with the usual gestures. The orange dot indicates your current position, and with a long press you set a POI or a waypoint for route creation anywhere on the map. With this button up here, you toggle map orientation between head up and north up. The reticle icon recenters the map to your current location, and the magnifier lets you search for locations on the map. POI stored on your device are included with the search results. Open a menu here to adjust what you want to show on the map. The plus and minus down here zoom in and out on the map by a tap instead of using gestures on the screen. Additional functions you possibly want to access from the map screen are in the menu bar at the bottom. A tap on the folder opens your local database to manage files. A tap on the map symbol lets you choose different maps and what they display. Next to it, you open the route menu to select available routes and use previously set destinations for planning or route guidance. And here you access the settings menu. That's it with just a brief overview. Watch some more videos for an in-depth look to certain functions. Take care when on the road and have fun while you intensify your motor life with motocompano.